Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. I wanted to thank everybody for coming back. I also wanted to thank all the new subscribers for coming to the channel. I greatly appreciate it. If you could do me a favor and give me a thumbs up or a thumbs down, that'd be greatly appreciated, and it really helps my channel out, so thank you. This is the reason I'm making chicken slash turkey feeder, because they make such a dang big mess out here, and I'm getting tired of that, and they're wasting so much food. So hopefully this way should help with that. I will keep you guys updated and let you know what I find out. So, but overall, I think in an overall long run, this will be much better for them. So here's the two boys here. As you can see, they're sitting here waiting for me to pet them. He said he don't like to be as petted as much as this guy here does. Hey, Tom Tom. Yeah, Tom Tom. He's their favorite one. He's the most friendly turkey that we got. The other one, he likes to be around you, but don't like to be touched. So as you can see here, he says, "Yeah, I'm my hair, but don't touch me." He said, "Don't touch me. I don't like to be touched, Dad." But I still touch him once in a while just to get him goat. Just like I like to pick on other guys. So, but anyways, overall, I do like the way this turkey thing turned out, turkey slash chicken feeder. So hopefully we won't have such a big mess out here now. So you can see there, chickens checking it out, putting their head in there, getting some food. There's the next one. Checking her out in there, reach her food, no problem. So, well guys, I got the turkey slash chicken feeder all taken care of. As you can see here, it's all hung up, ready to go. The chickens can still eat out of it, and turkeys, all you do is stick their head in the hole. As you can see here, there's stuff in there, and makes it easy for them to reach. As you takes it easy to fill up. Take the lid off, fill her all the way up to the top. I didn't fill the top, so that way you guys can kind of see what it looks like inside. You know, I said that way they can't make a mess. I know the chickens like to go in here and scratch and make a huge mess out here on the ground for me, and it drives me nuts. And out of that, if it rains or snows, we got a mess. This way, hopefully, this will help him eliminate some of that. So that's kind of the goal, to help eliminate some of this mess out here, guys. So but anyways, I hope you guys liked the video. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. If you don't like it, that's okay too. Just make a dislike. That's up to you guys, you know. I'm just trying to help, give you a little helpful hints. This would also work for pigeons too, and other animals. But for right now, I wanted it for the turkeys and the chickens, so they don't make such a big mess. I know my pigeons, when I do this for the pigeons, I don't leave that much out there for them, just for the fact is if mice can get in there and they poop and pee in there, it's not good for the birds. They get sick a lot easier than turkeys do. So, but anyways, like I said, I wanted to kind of show you what I was working on today. So just to help you guys out, today is Sunday, March 1st. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. So I hope you have a great day, and thanks for watching.